Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight bulb on a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly some gloves. Make sure your 4Runner is turned off and the engine has cooled down to avoid any burns. Then, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. This is where you'll access the bulb. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now, let's get to the old bulb. First, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Press down on the small tab and pull the connector straight off. Next, grasp the base of the bulb and rotate it about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. This will unlock it from the headlight housing. Once unlocked, gently pull the old bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully take your new H11 bulb, holding it by its plastic base, and align the tabs on the bulb with the slots in the headlight housing. Gently push it in. Once seated, rotate the new bulb clockwise about 1/4 of a turn until you feel it lock securely into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly to establish a good connection. After installing the new bulb, turn on your 4Runner's headlights to verify that the new bulb is functioning properly. Check both low and high beams to ensure everything is working as expected. Once confirmed, close your hood securely and put away all your tools. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.